Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. I'm with the lovely Tamiya Hornet EVO custom paint job beauty. We're gonna go out and run this sucker, but first I'm gonna give it a spray with the last coat. Spray a rag like this, and then I just hit the whole car, everything, the body, all over the chassis. And what this does, it helps stop the dirt from sticking to it. So I'm gonna do this. Oops. You could do the sides and everything like this. The wheels, the bottom, the arms, everything. You could just coat it all. Leaves like a little slippery coating on it. That'll help you clean it off easier once the dirt gets on everything, or the dust or whatever. Could do the wheels also. And it also makes your cars look like beauties too, because it really shines them up. Just look at that. Look at that shine. Alright guys, I'll see you out somewhere. I guess the park, where I always go. See you there. Alright guys, I'm here with the Hornet EVO. Forgot to mention I have the Traxxas Bandit springs on here. I think these are for the front of the Bandit buggy. Not sure, I forgot, but anyhow, let's give this beauty a run with the sport tune. Oh, she's got power. Whoa! Let's hit the ball field. Woohoo! Look at her go. Oh! Hornet EVO, that was a bad one. Whew. That was a bad crash. So what do? It's not working out with the Hornet EVO. I think the rear's smacking. Let's see. There it is. Now we got a million gnats flying around here. Woo, what a dust storm! This stuff is dusty as hell. Woo! Tamiya Plastic Models, #1 in quality around the world. The Hornet EVO. shade. Woo! Better in the sun. Let's see how fast this sucker is with this motor. I'm gonna take it from this side of the field. Pretty quick. Boy, look at these dust storms. Watch this. I'm gonna come here, around. Now. Oh man. Look at that. Holy smoke. That's what I call Tamiya dust storms. Can you see the EVO cutting through the sand? Holy smokes. Oh, what the hell is in this dirt? It's almost like it has cement in it. Oh! I gotta get the hell out of this spot. I think I got something hanging under the front here. Oh no. Holy crow. I'm getting out of here. Holy smokes, guys. That is dust storms. Holy moly. Take her on the grass here. Whoa! Maybe not. I think I clouded up the whole park as smoke from this damn thing. Dusty. Almost does wheelies with this torque tune motor. I know, a sport tune motor. Look, it almost does like wheelies. Runs good on the grass. Oh, she did a wheelie. Pulls wheelies. Try this side over here, maybe. I got a million of these freaking little gnats hitting me in the heads, guys. It's crazy. I hate when they come out. Oh, that looks like a nice jump. Let's see if I could make this sucker land right. Ah, I missed it. Never hit it twice. It's too dusty here. Holy crap. Pretty damn quick. Oh, that was nice. Oh, where am I? I gotta stand on. Oh! The smoke is going downhill towards the Hornet, so I gotta stay over here. Oh yeah. Oh. just like a stick of doom. Yeah. Oh, look at a hornet ripping through that stuff. Oh my God. Woo! Need some fresh air. Spread your legs, hornet. Burn up the air. This stuff is just, let me show you. Okay. Just lingers and lingers in the air. Anyhow, guys, that's enough with this beauty. I think I ate a whole bunch of sand, and that's not good for your system. I think I need a respirator mask. Everything holed up on this beauty? Sure looks like it. It's dusty as anything. Look at this. Oh, this is crazy. It's like white powder. Let me see the motor. The motor's hot. Yep, the motor's hot. They always do get hot. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video running the EVO. Special painted beauty. Runs like a charm. Much better than the original Hornet. Doesn't jump as good, I don't think, though. Oh well. Gotta sacrifice somewhere. Gotta do some more tuning. Later, guys. Appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all next time. Steve Airshine RC, and I'm out. The Hornet EVO.